Hello friends, myself from LJIET Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in last lecture we started a new chapter, that is flywheel. Now what is the function of flywheel? Function of flywheel is to store the kinetic energy and deliver kinetic energy whenever we require. Clear? So in last lecture we discussed about turning moment diagram for the single cylinder engine and turning moment diagram for the multi-cylinder engine. So in today's lecture we have to cover three topics, that is coefficient of fluctuation of speed, second topic is coefficient of fluctuation of energy, and third topic is energy stored in flywheel. Clear? So in this lecture we have to cover major three topics. Now start with coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Now what is coefficient of fluctuation of speed? It is the ratio of maximum fluctuation of speed to the mean speed. Clear? Now what is maximum fluctuation of speed? It is the difference between maximum speed and minimum speed. Clear? Okay. So let's consider capital N1 as a maximum speed, capital N2 as a minimum speed, and capital N as a mean speed. Now what is the mean speed? It is the average of maximum speed and minimum speed. So what is the equation of mean speed? That is N1 plus N2 divided by 2. Clear? Now as per definition of coefficient of fluctuation of speed, it is the ratio of maximum fluctuation of speed to the mean speed. Now maximum fluctuation of speed, it is the difference between maximum speed and minimum speed, that is N1 minus N2, and mean speed, that is capital N. So equation for the coefficient of fluctuation of speed, Cs is equal to N1 minus N2 divided by N. Clear? N1 minus N2 indicate maximum fluctuation of speed and N indicate mean speed. Clear? Now we have the equation of the mean speed, that is N1 plus N2 by 2. So we have to put the value of mean speed over here. So equation of Cs is converted in the form of 2 times N1 minus N2 upon N1 plus N2. So this is the equation of coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Clear? Okay. Now next topic is coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Now what is the definition of coefficient of fluctuation of energy? So coefficient of fluctuation of energy is defined as it is the ratio of maximum fluctuation of energy to the work done per cycle. Clear? Now what is maximum fluctuation of energy? It is the ratio of maximum energy and minimum energy. Clear? And maximum fluctuation of energy defined as delta E. And what is work done? Now work done means it is the area under the curve. Now in this case we discussed about turning moment diagram. So the diagram is turning moment versus crank angle. So if we find the area under the curve, then we have to multiply these two values, that is turning moment and crank angle. So equation for the work done is T mean into theta. Now in this case we have to consider theta as a 2 pi for the 2-stroke engine and theta as a 4 pi for the 4-stroke. Clear? Now what is T mean? That is mean resisting torque. Now we have the equation for the power. Clear? So what is the equation of power? That is 2 pi nt by 60. Now based on this equation we can write T mean torque is equal to power into 60 divided by 2 pi n. Clear? But we also have one equation, that is omega, that is angular velocity. So omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So we have to put value of 2 pi n by 60 in this equation. Then this equation converted in the form of power upon omega. Clear? So this is the equation of T mean, that is power upon omega, and we have to consider theta is equal to 2 pi for the 2-stroke engine and theta is equal to 4 pi for the 4-stroke engine. Clear? So this is the equation for the coefficient of fluctuation of energy. It is the ratio of maximum fluctuation of energy, that is delta E divided by work done per cycle. Clear? Okay. Now third topic, that is energy stored in flywheel. Clear? Now flywheel store energy in the form of kinetic energy. energy. There is two type of kinetic energy. First one is a linear kinetic energy and second one is a rotational kinetic energy. Equation for the linear kinetic energy, that is 1 by 2 mv square, and equation for the rotational kinetic energy, that is 1 by 2 I omega square. Clear? So for the derive the equation for the kinetic energy, we have to understand some basic terminology. So what is small m, that is mass of flywheel in kg? What is small k, that is radius of gyration in meter? Clear? Capital I, mass moment of inertia, equation of I is equal to mk square. What is n1 and n2, that is maximum and minimum speed. And what is omega 1 and omega 2, that is maximum and minimum angular speed. Clear? Capital N indicate mean speed. Clear? And omega is equal to mean angular velocity. Equation of the omega is 2 pi n by 60. So this is the basic terminology. Clear? Now we have to derive the equation for the kinetic energy. Now first of all we have to understand what is mean kinetic energy. What is the equation of mean kinetic energy? That is 1 by 2 I omega square. And instead of I, we have to put mk square, then equation converted in the form of 1 by 2 mk square omega square. Clear? So this is the equation of the mean kinetic energy. Now what is maximum fluctuation of energy? It is the difference between maximum energy and minimum energy. So it is the difference between E1 minus E2. Clear? So equation of the maximum fluctuation of energy, that is maximum kinetic energy minus minimum kinetic energy. At the maximum kinetic energy, speed of flywheel is omega 1, and at minimum kinetic energy, speed of flywheel, that is omega 2. So equation for the maximum and minimum kinetic energy is 1 by 2 I omega 1 square minus 1 by 2 I omega 2 square. Clear? So this is the equation for the maximum fluctuation of energy. Now for the next step, we have to take some value common, that is 1 by 2 into I. If we take common 1 by 2 into I, then in bracket value is omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. Now you all know what is the equation for the x square minus y square, that is x minus y and x plus y. So we have to use that formula over here. So instead of omega 1 square minus omega 2 square, we have to write omega 1 plus omega 2 and omega 1 minus omega 2. Clear? Then equation converted in the form of 1 by 2 I omega 1 plus omega 2 and omega 1 minus omega 2. Now we all know what is the equation for the mean angular velocity, that is omega. Omega is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2. So from this equation we replace the value of omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 with omega. Then equation converted in the form of I omega 1 minus omega 2. So this is the equation for the maximum fluctuation of energy. Clear? Now we have to write coefficient of fluctuation of speed in this formula. Clear? Now what is the equation of coefficient of fluctuation of speed? That is omega 1 minus omega 2 upon omega. But in this equation we don't have value in denominator as omega, so we have to multiply and divide with omega. Then this equation converted in the form of I omega square, omega 1 minus omega 2 upon omega. Clear? Now we have the equation of CS, that is omega 1 minus omega 2 upon omega. So we have to replace this value with CS. Then equation converted in the form of I omega square CS. So one more equation of maximum fluctuation of energy, that is I omega square CS. Clear? Now we all know what is the equation for the mean kinetic energy, capital E, that is 1 by 2 I omega square. But in this equation we have only the value of I omega square. So we have to multiply and divide with 2 this equation. Then we can write this equation in the form of 2E CS. We replace the value of 1 by 2 I omega square with capital E. So third equation of maximum fluctuation of energy, that is 2E CS. So we have three equation of maximum fluctuation of energy. First one is I omega 1 minus omega 2. Second equation is I omega square CS, and third equation is 2E CS. Clear? So in today's lecture we discuss three topics, that is coefficient of fluctuation of speed, second topic is coefficient of fluctuation of energy, and third topic is energy stored in flywheel. Flywheel store energy in the form of kinetic energy. Clear? So next topic we will learn in our